Hey guys, how to download music from YouTube. Want to download music from YouTube but not sure how to do it the right way? Most people don't know that YouTube actually offers safe and legal ways to save music for offline listening. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to download music from YouTube using the proper tools fast and easy. Stay tuned. Now first of all, open Chrome and open YouTube. After that, click the top 3 lines and you see desktop site. This option is turned on. My phone is already on. After that, click the profile icon and down click the YouTube Studio. And this is my YouTube Studio. You see the left side audio library, click on it. And this is audio library and you any music download, click on it. And click the top download. And that's it. Now you know step by step how to download music from YouTube safely and legally. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.